Ever wondered how hackers can find anyone, anywhere in the world? Today, I'll show you exactly how it's done, using the same free satellite imagery tools hackers rely on to gather intel and track movements. Stick around for the top 12 tools hackers love, plus a bonus tip that could change the way you see the world. Let's jump in. First up is Google Earth, the undisputed king of satellite imagery and digital mapping. If you've ever wanted to explore the world from your living room, this is the tool for you. Google Earth brings the entire planet to your fingertips, letting you travel anywhere in seconds. With just a few clicks, you can zoom from a breathtaking view of the entire globe, right down to the details of someone's backyard, a city block, or even a single building. The seamless transition from space to street level is both powerful and a little mind-blowing. The 3D mode is where things get even more interesting. You can tilt, rotate, and fly over neighborhoods, cities, and landmarks, almost as if you're piloting a drone. This is perfect for analyzing building layouts, planning travel routes, or just exploring places you've never been. Street View adds another immersive layer, letting you virtually walk down the street and see exactly what's on the ground. You can check out storefronts, spot landmarks, or even get a feel for the vibe of a neighborhood without ever leaving your chair. One of the most powerful features is historical imagery. With the time slider, you can scroll back through years of satellite photos to see how a location has changed over time, revealing new buildings, cleared trees, construction projects, or even the comings and goings of parked vehicles. All this information helps you build a complete, detailed profile on any target location. Whether you're investigating, researching, or just curious, Google Earth gives you the tools to dig deep and uncover hidden details. And the best part? These tools are completely free and accessible to everyone. Journalists, researchers, students, and everyday people all use Google Earth to explore, investigate, and learn more about the world around them. The possibilities are endless. Sentinel Hub stands out as a go-to platform for anyone who needs up-to-date satellite imagery at their fingertips. Whether you're a researcher, journalist, or just curious about what's happening on the other side of the world, Sentinel Hub makes it easy to access the latest views from space. The platform taps directly into the European Space Agency's Sentinel satellites, which orbit the Earth and capture high-resolution images of our planet every few days. These satellites are designed for environmental monitoring, disaster response, and urban planning, but their data is open for anyone to explore. With Sentinel Hub, you get access to fresh images that are updated frequently, sometimes as often as every 3 to 5 days. This makes it perfect for tracking changes over time, like monitoring construction projects, following the movement of vehicles, or spotting new activity in remote areas. One of the most powerful features is the ability to overlay images from different dates. With a simple before and after slider, you can instantly see how landscapes, cities, or forests have changed, almost like rewinding and fast-forwarding the planet's story. You can also apply a variety of filters to highlight specific features, such as vegetation, bodies of water, or urban development. This makes it easy to spot things like illegal logging, new roads, or even hidden airstrips in just a few seconds. Best of all, you don't need any special software, just a web browser and a free account to get started. The interface is user-friendly, so anyone can dive in and start exploring. With this unprecedented level of visibility, Sentinel Hub lets you uncover secrets and patterns that most people never realize are exposed to the world from space. Zoom Earth is your gateway to real-time monitoring of our planet, offering a unique window into the world as it changes minute by minute. Whether you're curious about global weather patterns, tracking storms, or simply want to see what's happening anywhere on Earth right now, Zoom Earth puts this power at your fingertips. With live satellite views updated as often as every 10 minutes, you can watch landscapes shift, weather systems evolve, and events unfold in near real time. This constant stream of fresh data means you're never out of the loop. Instantly search any location for high-resolution, up-to-date images, perfect for tracking severe weather, monitoring storms, or keeping an eye on current activity in any region. The intuitive interface makes it easy to zoom in on cities, coastlines, or remote areas with just a few clicks. The weather overlay reveals not just temperature and precipitation, but also real-time traffic jams, flooded zones, and other critical information layered right on the map. You can even spot crowds gathering for major events or monitor natural disasters as they happen. Best of all, it's completely web-based and free to use, so anyone can start exploring the world in seconds without needing to download any software or create an account. For hackers, researchers, or anyone who thrives on up-to-the-minute information, it's like having eyes in the sky 24/7, offering a strategic advantage for gathering intel or simply satisfying your curiosity. The combination of real-time data and high-resolution imagery makes Zoom Earth a go-to resource for anyone who needs accurate, up-to-the-minute intelligence about what's happening anywhere on the globe. NASA Worldview is a powerhouse for global satellite data, letting you monitor environmental changes, wildfires, and large-scale events. Access hundreds of satellite layers, air quality, sea temperature, and more. Drag the timeline to any day, overlay multiple data streams, and zoom in on regions of interest. Compare two dates side by side to spot patterns or changes. This flexibility is a goldmine for uncovering what's really happening on the ground. It's free, open to everyone, and used by scientists and hackers alike. USGS Earth Explorer is the go-to for serious satellite sleuthing, offering a massive archive of high-quality images spanning decades. Filter by date, cloud cover, or sensor type to find exactly what you need. Download raw data for analysis or use as-is, perfect for tracking changes or gathering evidence. Hackers use it for historical context and subtle changes over time. Archaeologists, urban planners, and scientists rely on it too. Its depth and detail make it one of the most powerful free resources online. OpenStreetMap is the Wikipedia of maps, open source, crowdsourced, and constantly updated. Hackers overlay real-time satellite views with OSM's detailed street data for a complete picture: roads, buildings, and hidden trails. OSM often has details missing from commercial maps, like back alleys or new structures. This local knowledge is invaluable for planning routes or verifying info. Humanitarians and urban planners use it too. Its open nature means the data is always improving and always free. Mapillary provides street-level photos from all over the world, giving hackers a ground-level view for visual reconnaissance. Virtually walk down streets, check building entrances, or spot security cameras. Millions of user-uploaded images fill in gaps left by satellites, like reading street signs or identifying parked cars. Filter by date, location, or detected objects to find exactly what you need. City planners and researchers use Mapillary too. Its community-driven approach means coverage is always expanding. Bing Maps offers unique aerial and bird's-eye views, giving angled shots you won't find on Google or Apple Maps. Analyze building layouts, spot rooftop features, and get a sense of terrain from different angles. Bird's-eye view is great for seeing around corners or over fences. Combine satellite imagery with up-to-date road maps for navigation and planning. Multiple perspectives make the picture clearer for anyone investigating a location. Terraserver is one of the oldest satellite imagery archives, perfect for comparing how locations have changed over time. Track development, spot new construction, or see when changes first appeared with time-lapse features. Compare different resolutions, switch between black and white and color, and overlay maps for extra detail. Build a timeline of changes at any site with just a few clicks. Its rich history and easy interface make it a go-to for seeing the bigger picture. Sentinel Playground makes browsing and analyzing satellite images easy, even for beginners. Instantly see recent satellite images without an account, switching between sensors and applying cloud filters. Compare dates side by side for quick visual checks. Perfect for fast reconnaissance or spot investigations. It's free, requires no login, and works anywhere in the world. Explore the planet or keep tabs on your neighborhood from space. Esri World Imagery offers ultra-high-resolution images and precision tracking features. Pinpoint exact locations, measure distances, and analyze details down to individual cars or trees. Overlay boundaries, labels, and custom data for a tailored view. Frequent updates let you spot new developments or seasonal changes. Esri's imagery powers everything from disaster response to city planning, and it's free to use. Yandex Maps is a favorite for unique satellite perspectives, especially in regions where Google or Bing have limited coverage. Get detailed imagery in Russia, Eastern Europe, or Central Asia, plus satellite, hybrid, and street views. Cross-reference its imagery from multiple sources to spot discrepancies or find higher-res images. Up-to-date traffic, road conditions, and panoramic street views add even more intel. Yandex Maps is free and covers areas other platforms miss, a must for global reconnaissance. These 12 satellite imagery tools are powerful. Hackers use them to uncover hidden details, but they're open to everyone. Always respect privacy, follow the law, and use these tools for good. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Check the pinned comment for a secret bonus tool hackers don't want you to know about. See you in the next video.